today I will just show you the some visualization that we used to create in Tableau. So I will try to recreate some of them in Power BI and show how much easier it is in Power BI to do that stuff. I think this would just ring the bell, especially for Jairam.
Yes.
So this is a Sankey funnel. The other visualization is this tornado chart. Then we'll make this, box and whisker MAQ matrix of box and whisker chart. I think Sai could help me in defining what exactly this means.
So you want me to go ahead now, sir, or
no, I'm just giving the overview of all the chart, and when we'll prepare this, then you can explain what each of thing means in this chart.
Sure. Yeah.
Then we'll have this bow tie chart. So this and then this is run chart, and the last one is this bullet chart. So today we'll make these 6 chart. Okay, so let's start with the first one, Sankey. So in Power BI, before that, I'm using a data source that is familiar to all of us. This is our Tableau sample dataset. So I'm using this dataset. Okay, let's start with Sankey. So in Power BI, basically we don't have any way of creating our own custom visual. So what we do, we can just import our visual. So let's say if we want to build Sankey, so we'll just click on these 3 icons and go to Power BI visuals. So here you can search Sankey. So this is the Sankey chart, and this is the other Sankey chart, but we'll go this. So if you just click on this, it will give you a description of this chart. So if you have time, you can just go through the description. Basically, it will tell how this chart can be used and what are the purpose of this chart. So if you click add, it will get added. I have already added this chart. It's here. Okay, so for this chart, we just need to define source. So what would be our source? So let's say for this example, I'm taking region as a source, and what would be the destination? So the destination would be, let's say, categories, and the weight basically defines the width of these lines. So let's say we go by sales. So now this is almost ready. So basically, so if you just click, so it will show you the sales amount from each region for the technology categories. So now we, unlike Tableau, we don't have to create a measure or some other calculated fields. It does all that thing in the backend, and it will give you the visuals. Here you get some additional features like we have data labels, so it will show the name. We have data links, so if you just open it, it will show you the value in the lines, but it won't look good. Then you have the option of link. So here you can just choose the coloring of that each link. So if you want to define a different set of color, you can just define it, and it will just implement it. Then we have nodes. Nodes basically starting and the ending point. So you can define the colors of the node, and then others are the normal features. So one drawback of this is you can't have multiple sections. So right now, let's say if I want to go to a subcategory, so it won't allow me to add subcategory in here. So it will show the funnel from one point to another. So if I want to see from region to category and then to subcategory, it won't do it. So I can just create a visualization between region and subcategory like this, but we can't add a category in between. So any doubts on this, Sankey?
Swap, by any chance, can we color the parts based on some parameter like sales or so? For example, assuming case I would like to color it gradient color where more sales, it will be more thicker, and when the sales is less, it will be like more of light. Do you have such options?
No, it's not like that. So basically, it will give you the connections. Like, let me just make it simpler to view. In category here. So like, by links, what it meant for South and office supplies, it will give you a range. Name. If you go to links, you can see South furniture, South office supplies, or South technology. So you can color it based on that. So it won't be dynamic if the value changes. So once you set a color, it would remain the same irrespective of whether the size is whether the weight is decreasing or increasing.